Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to walk you through a new 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. So here in the cockpit of the Sea Ray 210 SPX, first I wanted to display which motor we have on this boat. This is the new V6 200 from Mercury. We've also got a full walk-across transom, so we can access either swim platform. We do have a ski pole, and then moving forward, lots of deck storage on this boat. This is also where your batteries are located. We've got a transom door to keep small children or dogs safely inside the cockpit. More storage entering the boat as well. Large sun pad with an adjustable backrest. And then with the outboard motor, you have ample amounts of storage beneath the sun pad. This is the dune colored interior, really high quality material from Sea Ray, very sharp. We have a built-in cooler beneath the aft seat, removable quarter storage as well, and then a designated area for an igloo cooler. Over to the port side, we have this model equipped with the optional adjustable port side lounger with a backrest that moves forward and aft, so your passengers can face aft and lounge. We've also got storage beneath this seat as well. Lots of cup holders, grab handles, and speakers in the cockpit. The captain's chair does move fore and aft, and it also swivels. So your driver can face the cockpit and have a really large socializing area. And bolsters do flip up for thigh-rise seating. Here at the dash, we've got a touchscreen from Simrad, the new touchscreen Fusion stereo unit, and full instrumentation from Sea Ray. More cup holders and connectivity and charging ports for your captain. For flooring, we do have the Infinity woven vinyl. It's very comfortable and also quick drying as well. We have in-deck storage for all of your canvas, beach bags, or water sports toys, skis, things of that nature. Over to the port side, we do have a lockable glove compartment on the port side dash. That's also drained. Cup holders that are drained as well, and then storage beneath the port side console. We do have a windshield that closes to block off the wind on those cooler running days. Transitioning to the bow of the boat, a lot of lounge space here on the 21. We've got grab handles, speakers, and cup holders as well that are forward. We've got identical storage beneath the port and starboard seats. We've also got a removable cushion here for a nice foot platform to get in and out of the boat when the boat is beached. That's our walkthrough of our 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 or visit us online at MarineMax.com. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, and thank you. We'll see you soon.